Right. Yeah. Good morning to one and all. So myself, Dr. U. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified trainer at associate level. So I am providing the training is 40 days of the training. See, once you register the course, then you are getting everyday class recording videos, class material. We got it. At the end of the training, you got AWS interview questions and answers, AWS dumps, that is when you are attempting the global certifications, practitioner level or associate level, how the questions are asking, but that answers are also I'm providing. And at the end of the training, I'm providing each and every topic, the screenshot explanation can be provided. Yeah, this is the day 2 demo session. Yesterday, day 1 demo session, it is completed. So in day 1 demo session, I'll discuss what are the content I have to cover, that is in my training program. Those are the content I have to cover. Yesterday, I have to mention what topics I have to cover in my course. I have to mention. Those are the content I have to cover. Fine. Now, in yesterday's session, I'll start the basics of cloud computing. On basics of cloud computing, I explained that what is cloud computing, what are advantages of the cloud computing, and then what are the cloud deployment models or the types of models. Cloud deployment models or the types of models is nothing but cloud computing. It is providing 4 types of clouds. One is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud, fourth one is the community cloud. Those are the 4 types of deployment models or the types of clouds are there. And also one more basic concepts today's session we are learned regarding the cloud computing, that is cloud delivery models we are discussing. See, the cloud delivery models, the cloud computing is providing 3 types of delivery models. 3 types of delivery models. 3 types of delivery models. See, what are the 3 types of delivery models are there? That is, one is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Software as a service. So those are 3 types of delivery models are there. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Now today's session, we are going to discuss cloud delivery models, and then I'll start with the AWS introduction and how to create your AWS account. I have to explain. To explain the cloud delivery models, these 3 delivery models, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. I have to explain with the help of PPTs. I have to explain. See that already I prepared the class material. Once you register the course, then you got the material. You got the material. Yeah. See that? See that? That is here, if we are using on premises, if we are using the on premises, everything here, whatever it is mentioned, that is a networking to develop your application, networking, storage, servlets, virtualization, operating system, middleware, what are the tools it is required, and then which type of platform you need to use to develop your application. It may be Java, Python, or the Ruby, anyone. That is, we have to select the runtime, and then we can test it and we can deploy your application. That is, if we are using on premises, everything you have to manage. See that color it is representing, you have to manage. Means you have to take care. Networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, and the application. Fine. See, if we are using, that is in on premises. On premises, you have to take care everything. If we are using cloud delivery model, that is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. See, up to this part, this color I am represented. Up to this color I am represented. Up to this part, the others are managed. Others are managed is nothing but whoever providing the service. If we are taking the AWS, AWS will take care of networking, storage, servlets, virtualization. If we are taking Azure, Azure will take care of networking, storage, servers, and the virtualization. Up to this, you no need to manage. Who has to manage is whoever providing the service, that person has to manage. That is, others will take care of up to this point. Up to this point. Then to develop your application, the rest of the things you will take care. That is to develop your application, which platform, that is which operating system you need to use it. You may use Linux. You want to use the operating system to develop your application Windows or the Mac operating system. That's we have to take care. And also what type of the middleware tools which are required to develop your application. That is also you need to take care. And runtime is nothing but which platform you are chosen to develop the particular application. That is a Java, Python, or anyone. That is will take care of runtime also. After that, we have to test it, and finally you are releasing the application. That is up to this part we have to take care. That is, if we are selecting the cloud delivery model, the infrastructure as a service, you have to take care of operating system, middleware, runtime, and the applications. Fine, fine. Next, suppose, sir, what are the examples for the infrastructure as a service? AWS, Amazon Web Services, Azure, Google Cloud. Those are the examples for the infrastructure as a service. Okay, fine. Next, the another cloud delivery model is that is in platform as a service. PaaS, platform as a service. If we are chosen this cloud delivery model up to this part, see friends, up to this part, that is networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware. Up to this part, you no need to take care. The others, whoever providing the service, that person will take care. That is, will take care. Others has to manage. Only you will take care of these two. That is, runtime we have to take care. And second, you need to take care of the application. These two only you have to take care if you are using the cloud delivery model is platform as a service. Platform as a service. Sir, the example, sir, the Salesforce.com comes under platform as a service. See, up to this part, you no need to manage. Others are managed. Okay. That is the cloud delivery model platform as a service. Suppose the cloud delivery model are used the software as a service. See friends, see, I have mentioned that all will take care of the others. Whoever providing the service, that person will take care. You no need to think about the networking. You no need to think about the storage. You are not thinking about the networking. You no need to think about storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, and runtime, and then the application. Who has to take care? That is, others has to take care. Whoever providing the service, that person will take care. That is, if we are using software as a service. Sir, what are the examples which are comes under the software as a service? Software as a service. That is, the example, sir, present you are listening my online sessions. You are listening my online sessions. That is how we are listen my online sessions using Zoom app. That is, while listening the online sessions, you are not thinking how the app will be developed, which network they are using, how much storage capacity, what servers they are using, virtualization you are not thinking, which type of operating system they are used to develop this application. This application can be developed in Linux or Windows. You are not thinking about. which tools they are using, which middleware tools you are using, which platform they are used to develop this application. You are not thinking about the software as a service. You are not thinking about all those things. That is, you are not taken care. Only you are using the service. Sir, who will take care of these? All those things is nothing but whoever providing the service, that they are taken care. That is, others will take care. Sir, what is your part? Your part is usage. Present you are listen my online session using the Zoom class. That is, you are using the application. You are using the application. For that, the management will pay the amount for monthly or yearly basis. Similarly, the one more example is GoToMeeting, Teams app, right? Teams app. In education, they are using the ERP system. That is, you are not thinking, you are not worried about the networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, and the application. Whoever providing the service, that person will take care all those things. Only your part is the usage. The example for the software as a service is your Zoom app, GoToMeeting, Teams app, right? Those are the examples for the software as a service, right? So those are nothing but the cloud delivery models are there. See, how many types of the cloud delivery models are there? Three types of cloud delivery models are there. The three types of delivery models are infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Those are the cloud delivery models. Those are the cloud delivery models. Fine, fine. That is about, I'm discussing just a brief overview regarding the basics of the cloud computing. Fine. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about AWS introduction. AWS introduction. For that also, I prepared the class material. For that also, I prepared the class material. Okay. See, friends, AWS introduction. When it will be started, the AWS, after completion of these codes, then what the global certification you are attempting, that's I have to explain in this one, in the AWS introduction. AWS is nothing but what? Amazon Web Services. Is a cloud computing service that is created by Amazon. Amazon, right? The AWS, it's a collection of remote computing services that together make up a cloud computing platform. See, how it is offer their services is it can offer their services using the internet connection. Without the internet connection, we can't access those services. We can't access the AWS services. Only with the help of the internet connection, we can use their services. We can use their services. See, it is providing their services globally. When it is started, the AWS is in 2006, it is started the AWS. See, how it is providing their services throughout globally is with the help of their data centers. Their data centers will be available throughout global, across the globe, that is invented huge in data centers across the globe. Right now, how many regions are there throughout globally? How many availability zones are there throughout globally in AWS is that is 33 geographical regions are there and 105 availability zones are there throughout the globe. See, I have mentioned the AWS global infrastructure, the link I am providing. I'll send it in the chat box, friends. You also copy and paste it in your browsers. We're getting the AWS global infrastructure. See that? See that? This is the AWS global infrastructure. See, in AWS global infrastructure, total how many regions are there? Total how many regions are there? 33 launched regions are there. Each region with multiple availability zone. For example, if we are taking the Mumbai region are having 3 availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Like that, in each region with multiple availability zones. How many regions are there throughout globally is that is 33 launched regions are there. How many regions are there? 33 launched regions are there. And each region contains the multiple availability zones. Like the total, how many availability zones are there? That is 105 availability zones. 105 availability zones are there. Fine. See, have to scroll down. Here, the AWS global infrastructure map here in this AWS cloud, it spans 105 availability zones with 33 geographic regions. And also they are planned for announcing 21 more availability zones and 7 more AWS regions in the countries Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European countries. They are planned to establish their regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, European countries. Right? Now, if you have to scroll down, this diagram is representing AWS global infrastructure. See, these green color circles which are representing already existed regions are there. Canada, it's a existed region. Canada West, it's a existed region. See that this is also the existed region. Those are the existed regions are there in the AWS. See that our Indian, that is Mumbai region is there, and also Hyderabad region is there. Right? These green color circles which represent already the existed regions. And also friends, here in this global infrastructure, it is represented the red color circles. They are upcoming regions. Mexico, upcoming regions. And also see that Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the upcoming region. See, Thailand, upcoming region. Malaysia, upcoming region. They are planning to upgrade their data centers in Malaysia, Mexico, Taiwan, right here. That is, they are planning to upgrade 7 more AWS regions. 7 more AWS regions in this one, in these areas. Malaysia, Mexico, in these cities. New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European countries, right? So that is about I have to explain the AWS global infrastructure I have to explain. Fine. And also, you see that if once you are create your AWS account, once you are creating your AWS account, it is providing 12 months of the free service it is providing. How many months of the free service it is providing? 12 months. You have to select which type you need to select it. You have to select it for practicing purpose. Free tier we have to select it. 12 months of the free service it is provided. Okay. Some of them are providing always free services are also there, right? See, if you click on this link, I'll tell you this one, the free tier limitations are there. I have to explain after creation of your AWS free tier account. Fine. Already I have mentioned that in the day one, what services I have to cover. Those are the services I have to cover. Those are the services I have to cover in my training program. Fine. Once your course is completed, your practice perfect, and you are preparing perfect, then you can attempt the global certification exam. That is, you attempt AWS certified cloud practitioner at the foundational level. At associate level, AWS certified solution architect is there. AWS certified developer certification is there. AWS certified system apps administrator certification is there, right? So if you are completing the AWS certified, see at the beginning, you have to attempt the foundation level. Means you have to write the exam AWS certified cloud practitioner only, right? See, once they are completing the courses associate level, after that, then they may attempt this one. That is AWS certified solution architect professional level. This person has to complete it certified associate level, AWS certified solution architecture. This person is also attempt for the certification, AWS certified DevOps engineer. Suppose the candidate has to appear qualified the associate level certification, AWS certified developer level. Then after that, he may upgrade their certification. Then he has to attempt after learning some tools, that is DevOps tools, he may attempt the exam is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. This guy is also attempt to exam the after completion of that, after learning some DevOps tools, then this guy has to attain the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer at the professional level. And also AWS is providing many more specialized certifications are provided. The many more specialized certifications are AWS Certified Big Data Specialty Certification, it is provided. AWS Certified Alexa Skill Builder, it is providing the certification. AWS Certified Machine Learning, AWS Certified Advanced Networking, AWS Certified Security. Like that, the many more specialized certifications are provided. Once you are certified, then you are attempting the interview. When compared to the other person, you are getting the more weightage. You are getting the more weightage, right? However, after completion of this course, then you are attempting the job without the certification also, they are given the weightage. They are given the weightage, but they are asking the interviews. Fine, fine. That is, once you are completing your AWS course, you can attempt those certifications. I am providing the training is at associate level. At associate level, training I am providing. You can attempt basic level or you can attempt at the associate level. Associate level. Accordingly, I am framing the content. I have to cover the concepts. Every concept is with hands-on only I am providing. With hands-on only I am providing. Fine, fine. That is just I am given the AWS introduction and what the global infrastructure AWS it is providing. That's I have to explain. Fine. Now, today's session, we are going to explain AWS, how we had to create the free tier account. Free tier account. For that, what are the steps we had to follow? See, already I have the AWS free tier account is there. That's why I am not creating the AWS free tier account. From tomorrow onwards, the hands-on will be started. Fine, fine. See, I have to explain in this session how to create your AWS free tier account. For that, already I prepared the class material. With the help of the screenshots, I have to explain that how to create your AWS free tier account. I have to explain. Right here, first we have to click on this link. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. Right? When we click on this link, see that it is redirecting to this one. It is redirecting to this one. That is, see that we have to sign up for AWS. Here, you need to enter the root user email address. Root user email address. That is nothing but your mail ID we have to enter. And then we have to enter your AWS account name you need to enter. And then we have to click on verify mail address. Verify email address. Verify email address. That's the first step. First step we have to done. After click on verify email address, then you got to your mail ID one OTP you received. See, for your email address and AWS account name, here we have to type it. Here we have to type it. You have to give your mail ID and we have to type it AWS account name. See, while given the AWS account name, it must be in queue. It must be in queue. After entering your mail ID and your AWS account name, and then we have to click on verify email address. Once you click on verify email address, to your mail ID, you have received OTP you have to receive. One OTP you are received. Whatever the OTP you received, that OTP you have to enter and then click on verify option. You have to click on verify option. Fine, fine. After that, then it is asking the password. You need to enter the password. For your root user, where the password you are given. That's we have to enter it. And again, we have to confirm the password. Again, we have to retype it. Whatever the password you are typing, you have to confirm your password. You have to confirm your password and then click on continue option. Click on continue option. See, while given the password, we have to follow these things. That the password must contains, the password length is 8 characters length. Minimum is 8 characters length. Minimum is 8 characters length. Maximum is 60. right? And also it contains the password. It contains the password that is at least the three of the following things: uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and the alphanumeric characters. Alphanumeric characters. Well, given the password, length is minimum is 8 characters. You have to give the mixing of these three: uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and the alphanumeric characters. Fine. After that, you have to sign up for AWS account, contact information. That is, how do you plan to use your AWS account for business or personal? You have to give as personal, we have to give it. And then we have to fill your details. You have to enter the full name, you have to enter your mobile number, and we have to enter the country. You have to select the country. And then we need to enter the address, city, state, and the postal address. And you have to put the tick mark, click on continue option. That is, in the second step, you need to enter your details. You need to enter the details. Fine. After that, we have to click on continue option, and then you need to enter your card details. See, for creation of your AWS account, the three things are required. One is your credit card or the debit card. Second one is it is required. Your mail ID is required. Third one is your mobile number is required. These three things are required to create your AWS retire account. That's why at the beginning of the step I am given what I am given. I entered the mail ID. Root user. Sorry. That is, I entered the mail ID. Here I have to enter it. And I am typing the AWS account name. Click on verify email address. Then you received your mail ID. You have received the OTP. Whatever the OTP you have received, that's here you need to enter it. Click on verify option. After click on verify, then it is asking the password. That is, we have to confirm the password. See, while given the password, you have to follow these things. Password length is minimum 8 characters. And the password contains the mixing of these three, that is uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and the alphabet. At least the combination of these three we have to follow. And then we have to enter the personal details. After enter the personal details, then it is asking your card details. You need to enter your card number. And the expiration month we have to specify. Year also we have to specify. And then you need to specify here card holder name. And if you turn off the card, that is CVV number is there. 3-digit number we have to enter. And also, do you have any PAN card? If yes, we can click on yes. Otherwise, no option. And then click on verify and continue option. That is, in this third step, it is asking your card details. Credit card or the debit card details it is asking. After that, click on verify and continue option. Then from your account, 2 rupees will be deducted. That's for verification purpose. To your mobile, you receive OTP. That OTP you have to receive it. Then from your account, 2 rupees will be deducted. That 2 rupees will be credited after within 24 hours, 2 rupees will be credited to your account. That's for only for verification purpose. And then click on submit option. Then again, you have to confirm your identity. That is, how do you confirm your identity that is with your mobile. You are choosing the text message or you are choosing the voice call. That is as per your convenient, we have to choose it. Here I am mentioned the text message I have to mention. And you need to enter the country or the region code we have to specify. That is India, we have to select it. And you can enter your mobile number. Whatever the security check it is appeared on your screen, that's we have to enter it. That's you need to enter it here. And then click on send SMS. That's the step 4. And then we have to enter the verification code. Click on continue option. Click on continue option. Okay. Then after that, you need to choose the plan. That is the basic support, developer, or the business. That is, as per your needs, you have to select it. Suppose you are chosen the basic support free service, 12 months of the free service it is provided. If we are selecting developer, per month you need to pay $29 per month. If we are chosen business plan, then you need to pay per month $100 per month. That is, we have to choose the plan. You have to select it. You are for practicing purpose. You have to select the basic support, the free plan we have to select. Okay. This one we have to select it. And then you have to complete sign up process. We have to click on. Then you are getting the messages. Congratulations. Then you go to the management console and then we have to enter your role and your interested area. As per that, we have to fill it and then click on submit option. Click on submit option. Those are the steps we have to follow. How to create your AWS account, I have to explain with the help of the screenshots I have to explain. Once you are create your AWS account, then the screen will be appear like that. That is, sign into the console. Sign into the console. I entered at the time of my AWS creation, AWS account creation. I entered the mail IDs. This is the mail ID I am given. You can give your mail IDs. And then you have to enter the password, whatever the password you are given at the time of your AWS account creation. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. This is my AWS account. This is my AWS account. Okay. See that. This is my AWS account. See, those are representing the reasons. In my AWS account, how many reasons are there which are represented? In my AWS account, those many reasons which are supported. North Virginia region is there, California region, the right, Mumbai region, those many reasons are there. See, we have to scroll down at the bottom, that is updated, that is upcoming reasons are also specified. Upcoming reasons are also specified. Fine. See that here, those are recently visited services which are represented in my AWS account. Those are recently visited services. Okay. So that's I have to explain today's session. In today's session, I have to explain the cloud delivery models. The three types of cloud delivery models are there. The three types of cloud delivery models are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. And then I'll explain the AWS global infrastructure. And also in this session, I have to explain how to create your AWS free tier account. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? That's I have to explain today's session, right? And tomorrow's session, I have to explain how to launch and connect your Windows server using the EC2 service. So tomorrow onwards, I have to explain with hands. Anyone have any questions? If no, I have to end the session. Okay, thank you.